the first thing you're going to do is go to YouTube. Next, you're going to go to the upper right-hand corner and click Create a Channel. You're going to hit Get Started and then choose Use Your Name. On this page, you will be able to create your own profile. If you want to wait to set your profile up for later, you can hit Set Up Later. Now I'm going to show you how to use Screencastify. First, go to the upper right and hit the Screencastify extension. Then select Record and choose the screen or tab you want to record. When you want to stop recording, go back into the extension and hit the Stop button. It will then bring you to the Screencastify app where you can edit, trim, and upload your video. Here is where you trim your video. Here is where you title your video. Here is where you can upload your video to Google Drive or share the Drive link. Here is where you can upload your video to YouTube and Classroom. Here is where you can download your video. Here is where you can edit the video. Now I'm going to show you how to upload the video to YouTube. First, click the Publish on YouTube button under the Share tab. Then add your YouTube channel that we just created. Next, hit Allow. Finally, select that you want your video to be either unlisted or public, title it, and hit Upload.